What's going on, Jude in the Lifestyle? Welcome back to another vlog. And as you can see in the title, my car flooded pretty much. I'm gonna get right to the point. I'm not gonna beat around the bush or talk about why I've been gone, even though it's just because college mostly, because I'm not back in town, so there's not a lot of car meets to where I'm at, so car meets are on hold for a little bit. But outside of that, yeah, my car flooded, as you can see in the title, and I'm gonna show a picture right here. Anyways, if you don't follow me on Instagram, definitely follow me, because you'll see my updates, because that's where I basically update on what's going on in my life. The story about how my car was flooded, basically I live on campus, and they build new apartments on campus, so I parked basically like right in front of the building. That's where like the parking lot is, and it rained one night, and my dorm's like, it's close to the parking lot, but not that close. So what ended up happening is that overnight, the car flooded, and as you can see in the picture, I'll show it again right here, but it flooded up pretty much past my wheels, and I didn't know about it. My car alarm was like going off because the car had been flooded, so it was raised a little bit, so the tow alarm went off, and basically all the wiring and stuff in the passenger seat got wet. So with that happening, the alarm was going off all night, and the building owner took pictures of it, so that's where I got the pictures, because I didn't know about it. Yeah, so I'll get to the car because I was about to go out of town for a little bit, and then I'm loading up the trunk because the trunk's dry. Like, I don't even see anything in the trunk wrong. And then the building owner comes out. He goes, "Yo, did you know your car flooded last night?" I'm like, "What?" Like, I thought he was joking or whatever. Like, I didn't know what happened. And then he showed me the picture. I was like, shit. So I open up the door, and then I go look at the interior, like the floor mats and stuff, and everything's soaked. The speakers are soaked. Basically, everything's soaked, and come and find out that I started it. A bunch of water shot out of it. I'll try to show the video of that right now. It's on my Instagram, but started it. You're not supposed to start it, but I started it because I was eager. And basically, water shut out the exhaust, and it took a minute for the car to like get all that. And then ended up driving it. It drove normal for the most part. And then my seatbelt light came on, which the wiring for that is under the passenger seat where most of the water was. And then one of my like headlight lights came on, and then my tow light came back on. And this is what caused me the most problems, is because the security module is in the back of the trunk, and that's where water was hidden that I didn't know about until later on. And with that being what, the tow light was on, and it's still on right now. So basically anytime I try to unlock the door or turn on the car, the alarm would go off for like 30 seconds, and it just screamed, so it annoyed the heck out of me. Yeah, so that's how the car got flooded. I don't want to drag this too long outside of just updating you on what's going on, and that was the map. But yeah, just updating you on what's going on. Car flooded. I'm still working out some kinks for it, but I'll definitely keep you guys up to date. That's how that. See you in the next one.